Una do my people, I greet una from anywhere in the world where you dey take watch this video from. My name na Omobolanle Adedeji. I be one of the teachers wey dey for Obion College for Ibadan. I be your ogbonge teacher for different things, especially things wey go make you make money, do your business better and live a better life. Today I don carry data analytics come. Data analytics good for anybody wey dey do business or wey wan make money. To start this our data analytics class, I go start to dey teach una from Excel. From this Excel matter, we go learn many things. I go teach una wetin Excel mean, wetin you fit take am do, wetin Excel mean for your business, and then if you be student, how you go take use Excel make money. If you be stay at home money, this video and the one wey dey come, e go dey better for you. We go learn how to do simple things for inside Excel, how to add o, how to remove, how to multiply. We go learn am. We go learn how to change format of cells for inside Excel. We go learn how to increase size, color and many other things. We go learn how to create charts for inside Excel. We go learn how to create pivot, how to do pivot for inside Excel. We go learn how to do different analysis for inside Excel, Power Query and many other things like that. So my sister, my brother, if you never follow this channel, na the right time be this wey you go click on that subscribe button. Click am, click on the notification button. Tell your friends say one teacher don dey o wey dey teach better thing for pidgin. Her name na Omobolanle Adedeji. Join me, and then you fit put for comment section wetin you wan learn for Excel. E fit be say na thing wey my mind no dey, put am for inside comment and I go teach you that thing. I go do one video for you wey you go learn many things for inside Excel. When we finish Excel, we go go to another data analytics tool. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.